Hello everyone. Today I'm going to present to you something from Genesis chapter 1 verse 1. It says, "In the beginning God created the heaven and the earth." Why am I bringing your attention to this verse? It is because the world today has insisted upon the theory of evolution. And this theory, on many of our minds, it takes hold. We may not know it, but when you analyze your thoughts, you understand to say, to a degree, you've actually taken it in the place of the creation of God. But we need to go back to our thoughts to think, to say that God actually created the heaven and the earth. And this does so much for us, because even the trust we allocate to Him, when He says He'll give us something, we know to say He was the creator. He made something from nothing, which means even the things that He can give us, He can give us from nothing. Therefore, our trust will be increased in Him, and our honor will be due where it deserves to be. So thank you. This was my sharing.